First finish line, so the ladies are getting ready to take off to make sure that today they are doing good on both sides, either from the male side or the female side. It's the UCI 2025 World Championships happening in Kigali, Rwanda. Today is the team time trial mixed relay. Mu kanya turaba tubabwira amazina y'aba bakobwa kuva mu gihugu cy'Ubusuwisi bari ahangaha. And of course, we're about to introduce the ladies from Switzerland about to go. And of course, take on the 20 remaining kilometers after the main on the finish line over there on the way. And we'll see how or what will happen during their race. Otherwise, twakira abakobwa kuva mu ikipe y'Ubusuwisi mu kanya tujye gusoma amazina yabo. And of course, with us here we have Jasmine Lace from Switzerland. We have the champion, ladies and gentlemen, individual time trial, women category elite, Marlene Reissel. And we have Naomi Rick from Switzerland about to go. Oh, there goes the Swiss, Gabo Maccherero. Next up is France. Mu kanya ikipe y'Abafaransa irabihaguruka, basaza babo bamaze kugera hariya ku murongo. Rero turimo gucunganwa n'aya mabara n'umutuku, bivuze ko nta n'ikimenyetso cya musaza wabo bari babona hariyuza, ariko babashyize ku murongo muri we kugira ngo bitegure. And of course, after the Swiss team, next up is the French female riders with us today, and we're gonna pass through the names in a few seconds to see who are riding for France in the team time trial mix relay. Bimwe mu bimenyetso rero, we about to go France, the three riders for France today. We have number 34, Cétrine Kelbawol with us. Number 35, Juliette Labou, and 36, Maiba Squiban. That is France, three riders about to go after their counterparts cross the line at KCC. Here we go! France, 3 female riders! And of course their team car and supervisors from the team manager or the team coach. There we go, France.